Hey guys, Joe here. Got a new chest rig. Reason for it is the ribs pack was getting me a bit sweaty in this weather, so I've opted for something a bit more compact and won't let me sweat so much. So let me just show you how I pack this out. Let me just show you the front because this is one of the better features here. So on this side here, I have the Polymath Products compass. So it has a glow with the dark side and it has a compass side, and it has a good clip on it. So I put that in the front. This here is the Claris E5 Plus. It fits right in the webbing there. So the top bit has a clip, which you can see there, but the whole base fits into the molly, which I think is a good idea. Pop it right in there, and then if I need a light while I'm walking, I could just turn it on, and I have a hands-free torch there. Gloves, always bring gloves with me. Protect your hands, those are your main tools. So let's look inside now. So inside, the zips are pretty good. So it opens up quite wide, so you can see that. So I did first aid side and then bushcraft side kind of thing. In the middle, I got my silky saw in my Brown's Bushcraft case, and then just my more amber knife, which fits in there nicely. So that's it for the middle. Then I got a gauze, some scissors, a tourniquet. Inside here, I got gloves, foil blanket, black marker for the tourniquet. I got some blister pads as well, mainly because if that happens, at least you have them with you. Alcohol, Q-tips, some iodine, cotton buds, plasters. Roll it up together, stick that in there. A tick remover, because it is tick season, and the tick's been really bad this year as well. So that's it for that bit. And then on this side, I have a little foraging pouch, and then various of my style types of paracord here. I got one for the pack, which has a D-ring on it. I got some bank line there, so that all fits on this side nicely. Inside the bag, there's a pouch here, another pouch here, and then you have webbing, which is where the scissors are. This is a nice touch. So that pocket has this little tab which holds my bandage in, and the same for the tourniquet. You can just put it over the top of it, and hopefully that will keep it in place, which is nice. So that's all the features of the inside. Close that up. On the outside, I can't remember if I put anything in there. Yeah, I did. So on the inside, I got some floss, a little mat for tinder, multi-tool, and then I have a few of these tinders, oops, and then I have a lighter from Field and Steel, and I put one of my little tinder tabs attached in there, so you can wear this around your neck if I wanted to. But yeah, that's it really. Pretty basic kit. You got your lighting, you got fire, first aid, cutting. I got a foil blanket. So yeah, that's pretty much complete really for just a chest pack. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Am I missing anything from here? So I'm trying to keep it light and basic, but you know, who knows. So let me know what you guys think. Pretty basic pack. Again, like I said, first aid, cutting, cordage, light. You know, most of the 10Cs are in this little pack here. Again, let me know if you have any ideas. Put them in the comment section down below. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.